you hear that? That's the sound of silence in the Hoh Rainforest. Thick green moss, dampened sound. All you hear is trickling water. A gentle breeze. Nearby wildlife and a royalty-free version of Pearkin.
Dad, how did this all get here?
Well, son, thousands of years ago during the last ice age.
Ooh, the one where Scrat discovered a UFO and launched it into space and accidentally sent thousands of deadly meteors to Earth?
Not exactly, son. This was the Pleistocene, where glaciers flowed from Mount Olympus towards the Pacific Ocean. The glaciers then retreated and created this narrow U-shaped Hoh River Valley. At the base of this valley lies the glacial-fed and milky blue Hoh River. While the valley is only about a mile wide, it is surrounded by this rainforest that rises to an astounding 3,000-foot elevation.
Wow!
This valley, with its moderate temperatures, fog, and excessive rain, has allowed some of the trees to live up to 500 years and reach gargantuan sizes.
Dad, how big is the rainforest?
Well, son, the Hoh is one of the largest rainforests in the world. It once stretched from the base of Mount Olympus all the way to the Pacific Ocean.
Wow!
Logging has taken a dramatic toll on its size over the last century. The Hoh is now 24 miles of continuous rainforest with scattered pockets remaining in the Hoh River Valley.
Dad, I'm freezing. I thought all rainforests were hot.
Not exactly, son. You're thinking of tropical rainforest like the Amazon. The Hoh is an example of a temperate rainforest. Well, it's true that both experience extreme rainfall, 12 to 14 feet per year. In the Hoh, the temperatures average only between 40 and 55 degrees in Fahrenheit here.
Wow.
Indeed, son. And the incredible amount of rain allows plants and animals to flourish. You can plainly see the many species of coniferous and deciduous trees.
Carnivores?
Not exactly, son. Coniferous, like the Sitka spruce and Washington State's official tree, the western hemlock.
Oh.
There's also various cedar and fir trees. Then there's the ferns and lichens that scatter the forest floor. And of course, the vast amounts of moss that muffles all the sound of the wildlife. Look, over there, son, it's a Roosevelt elk.
That's not very nice.
Well, son, we are just visitors in the home of that elk, just as we are to that cougar, quietly hunting black-tailed deer and the Olympic black bear. Follow me, son. That's probably far enough, son.
Is that the bear, Dad?
Not exactly, son. That's a Pacific tree frog and his nosy neighbor, the northern spotted owl. And they may be hard to see, but we might run into some raccoons or garter snakes getting ready to dine on the world's second largest terrestrial slug. The banana slug measures up to 10 inches long and can even have brown spots, resembling a banana. Not unlike the one you're eating right there. Yes, son. The Hoh Rainforest is a paradise with a temperate climate, diverse wildlife, and miles of verdant old-growth forest habitat. I thought all that television watching would lead you nowhere, but I'm glad you were intrigued by the Hoh Rainforest after seeing that YouTube video on the 1 square inch of silence project.
Me too, Dad. Me too.